Pakistan demands an international investigation into India's crimes in occupied Kashmir. We ask that the United Nations Secretary General and the High Commissioner for Human Rights send an inquiry commission to occupied Kashmir to verify the nature and extent of India's human rights violations. Mr. President, to divert the world attention from its brutalities, India frequently violates the ceasefire along the line of control in Kashmir. No one desires peace in Afghanistan more than Pakistan. Taliban safe havens are located not in Pakistan but in the large tracts of territory controlled by the Taliban in Afghanistan. To end all cross-border attacks, we ask the Afghan government and the coalition to support and complement Pakistan's ongoing efforts to strengthen border controls and monitor all movement across it. Pakistan's military campaigns have succeeded in clearing our tribal areas of almost all militant groups. We took the war to the terrorists. We have paid a heavy price.